Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a Chrono Web Pattern using Python. So let us import the required libraries. So matplotlib.pyplot is used for visualization and NumPy is used for numerical operations, especially for creating arrays and mathematical functions, and MPL toolkits enables 3D plotting capabilities in matplotlib. And now we'll create the polar grid. So here r is the radius which goes from 0.125 in 200 steps, and theta is the angle which goes from 0 to 2 pi, a full circle, in 200 steps. And mp.meshGrid creates a 2D grid from these vectors, so we can calculate x, y and z values over the full polar coordinate system. So now we'll convert polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates. And this converts each point in the polar grid into Cartesian coordinate. So this is needed because matplotlib 3D plots are in XYZ space. And now we'll define Z values, which is height of the Chrono Web Pattern. So this formula creates radial sine wave ripples, where 4 into theta gives a rotational angular ripple with 4 waves per rotation, and minus 2 into r makes the wave shift inward or outward, creating a spiraling effect. And np.exponent, this dampens the wave amplitude as the radius increases, simulating fading over distance like time decay. And now we will set up the plot. So here figure is equals to plt.figure creates a figure window with a specific size. Here we have taken the specific size as 6 by 6 inches, and add subplot initializes a 3D plot. So now we'll draw the surface of the plot. So here plot surface draws a 3D surface where C map is viridis, this gives a smooth color gradient, and edge color is black, line width is 0.1, adds a subtle grid to give the web-like structure. And now we'll customize the plot. So this sets a suitable title to the plot and will add font weight to bold. So here axis off hides the axis for a cleaner, more artistic look, and view in it sets the camera angle of elevation to 30 degree and azimuthal angle to 45 degree for 3D viewing. And now we'll add the final layout to the plot. So here tight layout adjusts the spacing to fit all elements nicely, and plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see a Chrono Web Pattern. So thanks for watching this video.